the video?
Let me get another one.
Just so you know, I'm a zombie.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's an eye. It's a pretty eye.
I got scared.
Oh no.
I got really nervous that my eye went at the camera, and then the camera went by my eye.
It's a Jessie. I'm not a zombie. What? I could be scary.
I know, that was loud.
I'm hyper. I get lots of pop, and I like pop.
Pop is actually really good. It's not when you drink too much of it and then you get really, really hungry. That's my pop. Hillside's awesome. And when you go there, you have a lot of fun.
A lot.
And I really like it. And I feel like I'm really put on the spot right now.
Oh, well, that's why I say hi to Zach, even though he doesn't know we're talking to. I just saw some how chips are dangerous. He just saw how the chips are dangerous.
Oh my god, the chips were dangerous. I was all like, oh! Sorry. I didn't hurt my elbow.
We need a life.
We do need a life.